Beru. Tubanza twigine tutayaye. Isha mwantore mwe.
Welcome back to this new, the fourth tutorial where me go through you meet this session. As always, where is the Haram one small friendly is the Bible background. Please don't bear any mind to it. Number one UPS where is the no good stop. It's inevitable. Sorry, but I mean say caram out. I mean walk yet, but it's beeping in the background. Motu maybe we Haram rumbling sound is go ahead. Apologies for that. We'll sort that out soon. Anyway, so let's go to create a new canvas with the default settings. Here we go. Today by me bintalam se by me look crop tool, huh? Well, actually crop tool, the tool, the icon where me display on crop tool, and we got two naravala tools to start with them. Well, one is a tool and the other one is a select tool. I mean, you use the slice select tool with the slice tool plus the move slices blue around. So let's start with the crop. Before me do that, let's just me go create them some custom shapes no more. And then choose. Oh, sorry. Let's try this again. Call sim, and then use the move tool to just move that out of the way. Out of the way. Sorry, I'm talk English. Try best. Let me know talk English. Australia. Okay. Create one more. Another one. After maybe using the round one and blow. Take them out one small part. Then by curve go inside. And then just move them out no more. You name make them chicks or puzzle no. Okay. Yes, this okay. Oh, okay, yeah, looks great. So crop tool. Before you look crop tool, you say sometimes you say create some rectangle. Using the rectangle marquee. After let's say me want them copy more small area. Want them copy more small area. No, me select them same. I'll go and double edit, copy. Maybe go to file, new, create one new document, whatever. Go edit, paste them. A small one when we select them. Process plan no want to close them. Instead of doing that, you say select them. Firstly, you say select them area where you want them with the marquee tool, and then you go to crop tool. You go follow. Follow area with them crop tool. With them crop tool, you need to go edit, copy, file, new. After go edit, paste back now. You just select the area you want it, and then either press the mental keyboard or you go click and up below place this one. By me click and up from everything is happening on the screen. And then you select them out small pattern. So you don't need to go marquee, select them, go carve now. So that is using the marquee tool. No, not the marquee tool, sorry. Well, maybe use a marquee tool or the lasso tool. After a crop tool me resize them. One small portion lo image lo one use okay. Well, karang man me point the screen things away like I look finger me point to screen by you know have a look. Yes, so that is when crop tool you work also now you undo crop here from you want to use picture back. I got the next tool where you start with them crop, it group this with the crop is the slice tool. Slice tool, by look all graphic designer, you want to create one, suppose you want to create one, maybe you want to create one brochure, or you want to make one mock-up or one website, you do mock-ups. You want them slice them up, document you into even sizes or maybe into sections. Please I work like a slice tool. So you give him all guidely, you give him guidely you lo how you say you say work, put them all work please little sections. Sometimes I remember create them all website mockups, and then you slice select tool. You select them all slice, you select them, side create them all slice, you create them with them here. Maybe later on we just come look how you say use all slice tool more. Then so some you create them one section is there, and then you come create them one another one again. Then use the select tool now, please select them one, select them one, select them one. Suppose one in start loading thing, resize them, then that's how you use the slice tool. Just split them up, document view into slices or sections, and then you say put them one page of writing, some pictures, etc. Just style them good, document view, graphic view, whenever you want them. You want to make them. Yes, so today we look like crop tool, what slice tool. We hope say enough fast to mass, enough lo teaching you how to use to vlog tools. So today you may actually use a combination of tools. Lo create small tutorials, tutorial maybe use marquee tool, then use the lasso tool. Polygonal mo both of polygonal mo the lasso tool tayo maybe use the rectangular marquee with the elliptical or round marquee tool. You maybe use a move tool, and then you learn them how to use crop, them slice select tool. Thank you for watching and following. Hope to see you in the next tutorial whereby we talk about this color picker, color sampler, eyedropper, all get there. They have to do more with design and not necessarily selection or similar one another. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.